Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Manitowoc Garage. Today, we will be going through the process for calibrating the variable position counterweight on the MLC300. This VPC standard calibration process must be followed each time your MLC300 is assembled. But, to allow for a consistent and accurate VPC operation, it is acceptable to recalibrate the VPC at any point during normal operation. Today we will be highlighting this process, assuming you are already operating your MLC300. With that being said, let's head into the MLC300 cab and start the recalibration process. Now that we are in the crane cab, let's turn on our electrical accessory power to the machine and allow the display screens to boot up. Now look to your system faults and operating limits on your display screen. If you notice any of the following faults are present, further troubleshooting or VPC position recalibration is necessary. If they are not present, reconfiguration or verification of VPC position may still be required. To confirm the VPC's current position, we must navigate to the VPC standard calibration screen found in the operator's or right display screen. Press the menu key on the keypad and scroll using the jog dial or face arrow buttons to highlight the following screen. Press OK or In on the jog dial to select to enter the VPC calibration screen. While on this screen, take note of the distance displayed on the center of the screen. This distance, in meters, is the real-time position of the VPC with relation to the center line of rotation of the MLC300. This distance can very easily be compared to the actual distance of the VPC to determine if recalibration is necessary. Let's exit the cab and do that now. Here, at the back side of the rotating bed, we can see our VPC trolley with counterweight tray is in our standard operating range. Also, take note of the VPC minimum position stops forward of the VPC trolley. To verify the VPC position, we must measure the distance between the physical stops and the current location of the VPC trolley. To start, place one end of your tape measure at the edge of the rotating bed stop plate, as shown. Note, if you are performing this measurement without the counterweight tray yet installed on your MLC300, you must start your measurement from the edge of the rotating bed stop block as shown. Next, take your tape to the edge of the VPC counterweight tray or to the edge of the VPC trolley if working without a counterweight tray. This measured distance on our machine is 61 centimeters. Or 24 inches if using an imperial tape measure, even though a metric one is strongly recommended. Now, this is a great opportunity for us to verify VPC alignment. To verify alignment, measure the opposite side of the VPC and rotating bed between counterweight tray and stop plate. The difference between these two measurements cannot be greater than 5 millimeters or 3/16 of an inch. If the distance is not within tolerance, the VPC must be realigned. Please follow the procedure outlined in folio F2272 to realign the VPC. With alignment within acceptable tolerances, ensure your measured distance is converted into metric units if not recorded with a metric tape measure. This can be done like so. Take your measurement in inches. Know that there are 39.37 inches in a meter. Therefore, if we take our measurement in inches and divide by 39.37, we will find our new distance in meters. 24 inches divided by 39.37 equals 0.61 meters, or 61 centimeters after proper unit conversion. This new distance must now be adjusted to account for the distance between the stop plate and the center line of rotation for the MLC300. This is a constant distance of 3.05 meters if the VPC counterweight tray is installed, or 2.61 meters if only the VPC trolley is installed. Therefore, we take our measured distance between the stop plate and counterweight tray of 0.61 meters and add the centerline adjustment of 3.05 meters. This gives us our actual calibrated distance to be 3.66 meters. This is the distance we must compare to the distance shown in the calibration menu. So let's go back into the crane cab. Bring up the VPC calibration screen once more and look at the distance shown in the center of the screen. 3.66 meters. This is the distance measured by the computer system. Our physically measured distance was also 3.66 meters. Therefore, we know our machine is properly calibrated. But let's say our computer measured distance was 3.85 meters. Now, a recalibration is necessary as our physically measured distance was different. To recalibrate, press the OK button or in on the jog dial. You should notice the distance highlight in orange. Now scroll with the jog dial or screen arrow keys until the distance shown matches your distance measured. Once complete, press the OK button or in on the jog dial and select the green check mark. The VPC real-time distance is now recalibrated. Normal operation of the MLC300 may continue. Feel free to subscribe to Manitowoc Cranes on YouTube to stay up to date with all our new releases and training content. Thank you for watching this episode of the Manitowoc Garage.